What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Dragon's World channel. If you're new to the channel, my name's Samuel. So start off first with happy Thursday. I say that because it's gonna be Wednesday for me when I'm recording, but I'm upload it tomorrow, or technically, yeah, tomorrow. So it's gonna be Thursday. So yeah, as you can see, I have some stuff here that are not opened, like the stuff I always do. That's because I'm trying something different. I got on YouTube the past couple days looking at comic book videos, and I see that they all do unboxing. So that's what we're gonna try to do from now on. Everything that comes in the mail, I'm gonna try to do an unboxing. Everything I'll go pick up at the store, they're gonna be out open like this. So yeah, other than that, don't really have anything much else to say. Let's get into the video. Let's start off with, we always start off with Marvel or DC. Let's start off with Indie. So right here I have Lock and Key, which is number 1. Yeah, the Peach Momoko. So you guys can see it right there. And because it's night for me right now, no light from the sun is hitting the comic. So this is number 152 out of 666. So you guys can see right there. A little better, closer. So yeah, that's one. We have Bounty Hunters, or technically just Marvel. So I'll put that over here. We have The Last God from, that's DC. I did not put him right this time. We have White Widow, Indie. Yeah. Actually, the light still hits it. The lights I have here. So we're gonna put these in for here. Start off with DC, and then we'll leave Marvel for last. Now we have The Last God, which is a DC book. And just like in the last video, some of these are going to be a couple months old. We have Batman, Catwoman, DC, Black Label. You can see it right there. Right there, see. Yeah, it doesn't hit it that much, so I'm just going to keep it like that. We have Black Adam, which I heard this is a $100 book now, which is pretty cool. Well, graded, that is. I don't know if it's a $100 book without it being graded. We have Black Adam, which is basically the other one. This is just the main cover. Actually, I can't remember which one of these two are the main covers. I think it's this one. We have Justice League Dark Endless Winter Part 7. We got Suicide Squad with the Harley Quinn cover. I remember when this one was announced, I went to 3 different comic book stores to find it. Justice League Endless Winter, again. Let's go over Marvel. We have Star Wars Bounty Hunters. The one I was going to show, but it was in the wrong category. We have Black Widow, with it being Black Widow and Shadow Master on the cover. Captain Marvel 24. Whoa, comic book song. I like this cover as well. Spider-Woman from the King in Black series. I don't know, is it too dark for it to see right there? So I'm looking at the camera, and I feel like it's too dark. I'll check out in editing. We have Earth's Mightiest Hero, The Avengers, issue 40. Now, I knew I had one of these. This is the first print of The Last Remains, The Amazing Spider-Man, issue 55. The Black Gleason. I knew I had one. It's a $30 book. Raw graded, I can't really remember where it is. We have Black Cat, issue 2, second print. This is just an amazing cover as well. And we have more King in Black. We have from 2 all the way to 4. So we'll start off with 2. We have these 2 from King in Black, issue number 2. We have issue number 3, with it being Thor on the cover as well. We have King in Black, and then the last one, issue number 4. Or not really the last one, but the last one I have here on the table. Alright, so let's go on to these ones. I have a lot of things on the table. So let's start off with the small ones. Let's start off with this one. Now this one's from Collector's Comics, which is a retail store that's here in Tempe. Well, it's an online store, but it's also a local store if you think about it. Let's see what's inside. To be honest, I ordered these, but I don't even remember what's inside anymore. 2 books. Have Future State, Kara Zal-Il, Superwoman. I know I pronounced it wrong, but here's the cover. I totally love this cover. Might send out a grade. We have Future State Dark Detective issue 3. That's just another amazing cover. A lot of amazing covers, and I don't have that many room to put them up. I might turn that well into the comic books as well. You think? What's next? The Comic Mint. Yeah, let's see what's inside of here. Trusty scissors. And they got stuck. Alright, so now let's see how to do this. Is it right here? Yeah, it's gonna be width. Yeah, it's right here. They did it differently. Maybe I should have brought a pocket knife. There we go. And it's tape. That's what I like about this store, this online store. They know how to see. They even put tape inside. Very good packaging, guys. Recommend it. Now there's the name of the store. So if you guys want to go buy stuff, it's right there. Highly recommend them. See? Way more protection. Alright, so how is this right here? Maybe I don't have to. Yeah, huh. Put this down here for now. Alright, so how is this right here? So I guess it's a bag. I feel like this took way more time than it was supposed to for just one comic. All right. So we have Immortal Wonder Woman from Future State right here. Here it is. Amazing cover. And we got number 49. Out of 1,000. 49 out of 1,000. So let's put this right here. This one from Black Flag Comics, which is open. I'm not sure why I opened it, but okay. Amazing as well for the covering. Look at that. Amazing. Put this down here. Whoa, something fell. Huh. Want to win $100 in cash back? Yeah, I'll do that later. See what's inside. Oh, this one's the King of Black, Gwen versus Carnage. I totally forgot about these ones. So I guess, yeah, they're the same cover. So I'm gonna show this one. Actually, does it say which one's numbered these ones are? Nope. They're just the same ones. Look. I'll show the other ones more better right now. So this one's with the Infinity signature, I think it's called. The trade. There it is. I don't know if it's too dark for you guys to see it. That's the trade. This one's the Virgin. And then the signature's up here. And a sticker. Oh, nice sticker. Put these in here. On to the next one. Start with this one from KRS Comics. Way more faster. Alright, so see, now we have room. Let's put this over here so we don't damage it while opening this one. Scissors. Small little tape in here. Let's see what it is. Alright, so sink. Nothing here. Oh, something stuck onto the tape. Okay, now I see why. Send this down here. So we have Star Wars The High Republic issue 4. Trade. We have the Virgin. And I believe I already showed this one in my last video. The 1 in 25. Alright, so let's go on to this one right here, which is from Scorpion Comics. See what's inside. Why am I having trouble opening these stuff today? For some reason I'm having trouble. Damn, I have a lot of stuff to clean after I'm finished. I really like how the boxes for Scorpion Comics are pretty dope. Let's see what's inside. Oh, there's another one over here. Oh, this is the Star Wars Bounty Hunters. You have the Virgin. Is number 141 out of 501. So you guys can see it right there. We have the trade. $141 as well. These ones are the same as the last ones, but I'm just going to show the numbers. It's 140 for both of them for the trade and the Virgin. I can see right there the number, and it fell. There you go. Yeah, see, it's the Virgin. And for some reason I ordered 3 sets. I think I ordered more than 3. 139. And as well, it's gonna be 139. $138. Why I ordered like 4 different sets, I have no idea. Put them back right here. Let's go to this one. Actually, let's put this one down here. In the corner. Let's open the box. This one's from Unknown Comic Books. When the tape is stronger than you use the scissors. Ah, yeah. Let's see, in here, it's probably gonna be down here. I don't wanna make a mess. So you can see a lot of foam. All of these packagings are very good. Anything else in here? Nope. So I can see a lot. Won't throw that one, that's for sure. Where's a good place to start? This one. Two layers. Okay, we're gonna start. What's right here? 2 layers, but it's not that hard. Send this to the floor. Very good packaging. Look at that. Perfectly made. Just that place. Yep. Pull them out. So I can grip this end. Where's it stuck on? Oh, there it is. That part. Send this to the floor. It's just that thing right there. We have Dark Knight's Death Metal issue 5. Thor issue 10. Venom 31. Put this on here. Dark Knight's Death Metal issue 6. Dark Knight's Death Metal issue 7. Mostly Dark Knights. Death Metal. Venom vs. Carnage issue 1. Whoa, almost fine. King in Black issue 3. The Tyler Kirkham one. Tyler Kirkham issue. Or variant. It's the term. And then the King in Black issue 1 as well. Now this big packet is from Comics Elite. Yep. Let's see what's inside. We have slabs. I was not expecting this. Oh, actually, this is not from Comics Elite. This is from YouTube. I mean, eBay. Yeah, this is from eBay. Alright, so we have 2 slabs. Yeah, this is the order I got from eBay. I thought it was from Comics Elite, but it's not. Alright. Well packaged. Start off with these ones. Okay, so let's start off just breaking it off from right here. Actually, it's right here. That way I can just, actually I can't. If we did that, it was going to bend the book. And we don't want that. Oh, it's onto the comic. I have to be super careful with these ones. This, I still have to go more. Let's go from here. Really like the packaging, even though, actually for this one, for eBay, it took them a month to send it. So, yeah, that can happen with eBay. So we have all new Wonder Woman 612. We have 611. I think this is the whole collection. I think I bought the whole collection. On new Wonder Woman 610. And all new Wonder Woman She's Back 609, which is, I heard, since a first appearance. There you have it. That on new Wonder Woman 605. (606). On new Wonder Woman 607. And 608. Start off with this one for slabs. I guess we'll just there's no better way to opening this without having to destroy these things. On your Wonder Woman 614, graded at a 9.2. I say that's very good for a comic book of this magnitude, because this one came out in, I want to say 2011, but I don't think it's 2011. You can see clearly she's looking down at her reflection. I mean. Can't pronounce words today. Look. Flip it upside down, you can see her reflection. Or, not that. Social camera. So yeah, I'd say I got a pretty good deal for this one. Let's see, let's open up this one. this is more protected because it's a 9.8. Here's On You Wonder Woman issue 6/113, graded at a 9.8. Now, these books, the On You Wonder Womans, they're hard to find at 9.8, or someone to get graded at a 9.8, because normally just new issues are the ones that get graded at 9.8. But yeah, I mean, you can get one of these books graded at 9.8 if you go and you press and stuff like that, but still the chances of it being a 9.8 is hard. So I'd say that what I paid, which I paid $172 for the whole collection, I don't think it's bad, because I got this one at 9.8, this one at 9.2, and then all of these look in great condition. Look like they're damaged or anything. Yeah, they all look pretty good. And the good thing is they didn't get damaged on the way to my house, so that's wonderful as well. Funny story for this one, I actually bought this one at a local comic book store here, and I sent it to get graded. So once it comes back, hopefully it's a 9.8. I would say anything between a 9.2 to a 9.8 I'm fine with. Anything below I probably might sell it and send this one to get graded and see what it comes back at. Yeah. So yeah, this is the whole collection, guys, which is basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 books. Which, yeah, I think I got a pretty good deal. 9 books, all books that came out a couple years ago for $172. I think I did good. That wraps up for today's video, guys. I cannot talk today. Probably because it's way past what I usually go to sleep at. I'm lying. I go to sleep super late. But yeah, that's it for today's video. And I'll see you all in the next video.